to the mathematics subject. Today we will discuss about some story problems from the exercise 3.3. The class is 5th standard. Okay, let us move on now. What is the story problem there? The question is, read the following stories and solve them. This is the question. Read the following stories and solve them. The first question, there are 9 crore 24 lakh 9,540 women, 7 crore 65 lakh 85,372 men and 3 crore 78 lakh 49,075 children in a city. Okay, in a city the women and men and children are there. Okay, then what is the total population of the city? What is the total population of the city there? Yes, now do the problem now. We have to find out the total population of the city. Yes, solution. Write the given numbers in the statement. The number of women, in the city, the number of women in the city is equal to how much there? The 9 crore 24 lakhs 9,540. This much of women live in the city. The next one is men. Okay, write that one also. The number of men. The number of men in the city. How much they? The 7 crore 65 lakh 85,372. Yes, one more statement there. The children also. Okay, write the number of children. Number of children in the city. How much? The 3 crore 78 lakh 49,075. Yes. The question shows that what is the total population of the city here? The total means you have to add all the numbers. Okay, do now. Zero plus 2 is 2. 2 plus 5 is 7. 4 plus 7 is 11. 11 plus 7 is 18. So 1 carry over to the 100 place. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 0 is 9. Then go to the 100 place column. The 9 plus 5 is 14. 14 plus 9 is, the 14 plus 9 is 23. 2 carry over to the 10,000 place. 2 plus 0 is 0. 2 plus 0 is 2. 2 plus 8 is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. So 4 is here. 1 carry over to the lakhs place. Okay. Then add the lakhs place column. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 8 is 18. So write the 8 in a lakhs place. 1 carry over to the 10 lakhs place. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 6 is 9. 9 plus 7 is 16. So write 6 in a 10 lakhs place. 1 carry over to the crore place. 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 plus 7 is 17. 17 plus 3 is 20. Yes, read the number now. The 20 crore 68 lakh 43,987. This much of population in the city there. The next question. In the first question there is one more question. How many more women are there than men? Before that, you have to write the one statement there. So, the 20 crore. So this one 20 crore, 68 lakh 43,000, the 987 population in the city. Population of the city. Population of the city. Okay, go to the next problem. Go to the next question. How many more women are there than men? The number of men, the number of women, how much it is? The number of women, the 9 crore 24 lakh 9,540 there, the 540. The number of men, how much? 7 crore 65 lakh 85,372. Let's read the question again here. The how many more women are there than men means how many more. It shows that subtraction. Do the subtraction now. So this is the subtraction symbol. The 0 minus 2 is not possible. So we regroup the 10 and 1's place there. The 10's place decreases 1. It becomes a 3. So 10 minus 2 is 8. The 3 minus 7 not possible. So again we regroup the 100 and 10's place there. The 100 place number decreases 1. So 13 minus 7 is, the 13 minus 7 is 6. The 4 minus 3 is 1. 9 minus 5 is 4. The 0 minus 8. We can't subtract here. So again it becomes the 10. We regroup the lakhs and 10,000's place. The lakhs place decreases 1 there. Why? Because we regroup the 10 lakhs and 10,000's place. The 10 minus 8 is 2. 3 minus 5 not possible. So it becomes a 13. We regroup the 10 lakh and lakhs place here. The 10 lakhs place decreases 1. It becomes the 1. 13 minus 5 is, the 13 minus 5 is 8. The 1 minus 6 not possible. So again we regroup the crore and 10 lakhs place. It becomes the 11. The crore place is decreases 1. So 11 minus 6 is 5. 8 minus 7 is 1. Is what is the answer there? The 1 crore 58 lakh 24,168. This much of women more than the men. Okay, so write the statement. So 1 crore 58 lakh 24,168 women more than men in the city. Okay, this is the first question. Next, move on to the second question. Okay, the next question is Sumita earns rupees 58,723 more than her brother Saurabh per year. If Sumita earns rupees 5,45,920 per year, find the Saurabh's salary per year. It means the Sumita earns more than her brother. Yes, let us start the solution. What is the solution there? Yes, earning by Sumita. Okay, write the statements first. Earning by Sumita. Earning by Sumita. How much? The rupees 5,45,920. The earning more than than Saurabh's? Earning more than Saurabh's. Yes, earning more than Saurabh. How much Saurabh earns here? We don't know. We have to find out the salary of the Saurabh. The Saurabh 58,000. The 723 here. These are the two statements. The earning by the Sumita is 5,45,920. She more earns than Saurabh, that is the 58,723 there. Okay, we have to find the Saurabh's salary here. It means the subtraction. We have to do the subtraction there. So 0 minus 3 is not possible. We regroup the tens and ones place there. The tens place decreases 1 there. 10 minus 3 is 7. So 1 minus 2 not possible. It becomes the 11. The 100 place is decreases here. The 11 minus 2 is 9. So 8 minus 7 is 1. So 5 minus 8 not possible. So we regroup from the 10,000 place and thousands place there. The 10,000 place number is decreases 1. The 15 minus 8 is 7. Again we subtracted the 10,000s column with 3 minus 5 not possible. So it becomes the 13. The lakhs place decreases here. Why? Because we regroup the lakhs and 10,000s place. The 13 minus 5 is 8. The 4 as it is. This much of Saurabh's salary here. Okay, we have to write. So Saurabh's salary is. So Saurabh's salary is rupees 4,87,197. Okay, let us move on to the third main question. Okay, the third question is a dam pumped 1,42,39,053 gallons of water in May. It pumped 80,46,190 gallons in June. How much water is pumped is all in these 2 months. The sub question shows that all in these 2 months. It means the addition there. Yes, before that, what is the gallons? The gallons means the 6 bottle measurement is called the gallons. Yes, do the solution now. Yes, do the solution. Yes, we have to write the statements first. What are the given statements there? The gallons in May. The gallons pumped in May. How much? 1,42,39,053. This much of gallons pumped in a water in the dam. Okay, the next statement is in a June, the gallons pumped in June. In the June, how much they? In the June, how much they? 80,46,190. Let's look here the question. All in these 2 months. It means you have to add the given numbers. Okay, we arrange the numbers in the column wise there. Let's do the addition now. 3 plus 0 is 3. 5 plus 9 is, the 5 plus 9 is 14. 1 carry over to the 100 place. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 3 plus 9 plus 6 is 15. So 1 carry over to the 10,000 place. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. The 2 plus 0 is this is the addition. This is the sum rate. 2,22,85,243. That shows the total. This one is total. Okay. Write the statement. Write the statement. What is that? In all these 2 months, so the 2,22,85,243 the gallons of water pumped in these 2 months. Pumped in these 2 months. This is the third one. There are the 2 more problems in the exercise 3.3. You have to do yourself with this knowledge. Thank you.